How to change Roblox location if you accidentally changed it. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you accidentally changed your Roblox account location and could not revert it back? Don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple steps to change your Roblox account location if you have mistakenly altered it. Let's fix that together. Firstly, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom of the screen to access the More section. Scroll down, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings page, tap on Account Info. Scroll down until you find the Account Location option just below the Gender tab. As you can see, I have already changed my account location once and Roblox is not allowing me to change it again manually. They have clearly mentioned that contact Roblox support to change your account location. So let's contact them. Return to the Roblox homepage and tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Help. Tap on Roblox account with I need help with my account message. Scroll down to the end, then select See all 16 articles under the account settings section. Scroll down to the end, then tap on Account Location Common Questions. Again scroll down until you see Why can't I change my account location FAQ. Make sure you read it, then select Need more help, contact support here. You will be directed to Help and Contact Us page. Username is auto-written, first name is optional though you can write it. Email address is mandatory since they will contact you in that email, so add a valid email address and confirm it. Then here comes the main part. Select the device you are having problem. From the drop down menu I will select Android phone. Then select the help category. From the drop down menu select How to, then select How to Other. Now let's give the description of issue. Make sure you type in as shown in screen. Hello Roblox team. Currently I am facing geographical issue on Roblox. I am from bracket current account location. In those brackets, write the current account location of your Roblox account. For example, for me, it's United States and previously set it to there, but I have currently shifted to abroad at bracket location you want to change and write the location you want to change to. It's United Kingdom for me. My currency is set to bracket current account location currency. My current account location is United States and its currency is dollar, but I want to change it to bracket location you want to change currency. For example, I want to change it to United Kingdom and the currency for United Kingdom is pounds, so that I could redeem any physical voucher, gift cards and make the Roblox purchases. It has been an annoying issue for me. Please make the appropriate changes and change my country to bracket location you want to change. Again, write the location you want to change. Be sure to include your current location, the location you want to change it to with respective currencies as I demonstrated. Once you have filled out the form, click on Submit. Complete the verification CAPTCHA and your request will be sent to the Roblox team. While waiting for a response, remember there's a 50-50 chance of success. If this method worked for you, then congratulations. Else consider creating a new Roblox account with the correct location settings. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change your Roblox account location if you accidentally altered it once. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.